When you try to download transparent or PNG image from Google sometime, you end up downloading images like this. So in today's video, I will show you how to make transparent glass in Photoshop using very simple steps. First, make a selection of the glass using any of your favorite selection tool, and then create a layer mask. Now duplicate the wine glass layer 3 times. In first layer, change the blending mode normal to multiply. Select second layer and again change blending and make opacity 50%. Now select third layer and change blending normal to luminosity, make opacity 50%. In the top layer, change blending marine normal to soft light and opacity 50%. Now select the luminosity layer, go to layer style and select blending options. In the current layer, drag the left slider to wait until you start seeing the transparent effect. Hold Alt and click to break the slider. Adjust a half slider to make a smooth transparent effect.
Background layer, select brush tool, make brush like this, make sure foreground color is black and start painting under the glass. After that, decrease the opacity and you are done. This is before and this is after. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next.